So hi there. So welcome to the code number 2, which we are going to work out is this code. Yes, code number 2. It's by Steve Jobs. So I am not going to waste your time here. I just did the same thing. I recorded a voiceover from the code. Then from the scene settings, I put a subtitle and then I switched it off. Then I added a Steve Jobs picture here. So what we are going to do is in this video, I'm just going to only show you this preview, or is it correct or not? Something for your understanding. That's it. So let's see the preview, guys. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other people's opinions draw out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. By Steve Jobs. So I think it's kind of really perfect. So we have also completed this one. So I'll just be highlighting. So for the next video, what I'm going to do is I'll already record it. Record the voiceover because you really know how to do it. And then we'll be just adding some kinds of scenes. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.